Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can extract your zip file using Python. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It really helps me out. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, so first of all you need to do, right here you can see I have a zip file and a Python file which I've created from my Visual Studio Code, and in this zip file I have some pictures. So we're gonna extract these pictures in the folder right here. Now all you need to do, you're gonna import a package which is zip file, and you're gonna write with zip file.zip file, and in the inverted commas you have to write images.zip, which is basically our zip file, and you have to write again comma r. So we are basically reading this zip file, that's why we are writing r. After that you will write as myzip, and we will extract the zip file by just typing myzip.extract all, and again in the inverted commas you're gonna write files. Now here we are giving the name to the folder. Now this program will basically create a folder, and the name of the folder will be files, and all the data in the zip file will extract on that specific folder. Alright guys, so let's run this, and here you can see our folder with name files is created, and we will open it up, and here you can see our pictures are extracted. So this is basically how you can unzip a zip file in Python. So if you found this video helpful guys, then make sure to give this a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.